I'll be the black Batman.
What the fuck you doing, nigga? Who told you could do that around here? Cut that shit out. Hey, nigga, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Subscribe.
Yo, girl sick of Burger King in the car. We gonna cook a freak some chicken parmesan. Prepare your chicken parmesan before you start cooking it. In order to do that, you need 3 of these. You're gonna fill these up with are Italian breadcrumbs, some all-purpose flour, and the other one, you want to put 2 eggs in it. Don't ever crack an egg like a pussy. Crack an egg like a real goddamn gangster Italian with one hand. And you want to whip up your egg, okay? Whip it up all the way through. First things first, you gotta wash your chicken. It's a pandemic. You can't not wash your chicken. This is really important. When you're cooking chicken, y'all, you need to learn something, Nick, because I know you out there seasoning your chicken with just salt and pepper, and that's not right. That's not right. You don't want to have this thick ass chicken breast, all of it. It's too thick. It's not going to be juicy all the way through. You want to cut it all the way through. Make it 2 thin chicken breasts. Let me ask you, would you rather have 1 big thick bitch or 2 juicy bitches? Now, that was the first important step. Would you rather, oh, don't talk about thick Rihanna. That's like a pork chop. That's not chicken. That's like a big ass steak. I want 2 thick bitches. That's not the options, motherfucker. Okay, so now this is the #1 important thing that everybody skips when they cooking chicken. You need to poke holes in your chicken. How is this lemon gonna get into the chicken? It's just gonna splash on the outside. You gotta poke holes in this shit, okay? So grab your knife like this, go straight Karen mode.
But the bitch ass hoe
Sorry,
that told me
bitches.
to calm down.
And get to poking holes all throughout your chicken. Or you can flip it like this and go straight essay mode on your chicken and get to stabbing it like this. This is okay too. Back up. What's up, blood? What's up, nigga? You was talking shit at the club and we not at the club no more. So now look at you. Stab his bitch ass. Stab the chicken, bro. Exactly. Now, you good. Squeeze 2 whole lemons. And I don't care if you got 3 chicken breasts. Squeeze a whole lemon in it. But if you got 6, then squeeze 2. You don't want too much lemon. You don't want too much lemon. That's my bad. So now another important part is the seasoning. You gotta season your chicken, but you can't be seasoning your chicken like a savage. You wanna sprinkle the seasoning all around your chicken, okay? You don't wanna go like this. That's stupid. You like a goddamn gorilla. Have some finesse. Exactly. Exactly. So flour first. Boom. We're gonna dip that in the egg. Okay. And we're gonna start laying this bitch down. Now listen, you gotta lay your chicken down on the oil like it's a woman. Alright? You gotta lay that bitch down. Alright, boom, putting the chicken on here, flipping it. Damn, that chicken good. Ain't that fast? This shit smack. Why some burnt and some aren't? Just shut the fuck up. You ever think about that? You ever think about just shutting the fuck up? a ladle. And we just gonna pour this sauce all over our chicken. 2 scoops. It's all over that chicken. So look at all this cheese. We just gonna pour that shit all right there. You feel me? You feel me? Look at how beautiful that looks. Look at how beautiful this looks. Let's get this chicken parmesan off this oven. A little bit of parsley on that bitch. Sprinkle that shit. Oh my god. We're gonna take some of our good ass sauce. The Yato. We're just gonna put that on top. Fuck. Holy fuck. Is you stupid? Holy fuck. Are you eating though? Are you eating though? Alright. Okay, I'm done. I'm ready.